Hello, this is our second video, and as you can see, a much smarter me. I don't have a funny hat on, and I've actually got a shirt on, and more than that, I'm wearing a microphone. Very sophisticated. So we're going to talk very briefly today about data, and we're going to talk very briefly today about maps. Now we could spend the rest of today talking about this, but in brief I'm going to just talk about how maps and data work together. So let's use a real estate example. Let's think about what real estate people look at in a map. The kind of data they're interested in, their comps, they want to look at parcels, they want to look at competitors, lots of things that people want to look at, maybe municipal boundaries, zip codes. Those are all data sets. A map is like a chart. So a lot of people work with spreadsheets, they work with pie charts and graphs and all sorts of things. What are those? Those are a simpler way for you to view your data. A much more understandable, summarized way of looking at data. That's what a map is. A map is a rich way for you to see your data together. So we'll use a real estate as an example. What is a very, very simple way a real estate person might want to use a map? Well, let's think of one. They might want to see their comps on a map. Just simple as that. We want a satellite image and we want to see our comps on a map. Imagine they could drag and drop a spreadsheet that contains addresses onto a map, and bingo, that's where they see their comps. That's a big deal to real estate people. Google Maps is a great way to see point data like that on a map. Great way to do it. Let's think of a second way. Imagine we want to combine data sets. Imagine what I just described. We want to see parcels and comps, we want to see zip codes, we want to see competitors in one map. That's a more complex thing to do. Now, Google Maps can do those type of things. There's new technologies like GIS. ArcGIS is a good example, which allows you to bring multiple data sets together, lay them on top of one another, and in a map see everything. So that's very valuable again. That takes things to the next level. Let's go to a third level. I've got this raw data and I want to calculate. I want to combine those data sets together and present a new picture on top of the map. Maybe I want to bring in demographics. In the GIS world we talk about enrichment. So we want to do some work with the data to present it slightly differently to answer a particular question. That's another level of complexity when we work with data. So we've got three levels. We've got a single layer, we've got multiple layers, and we've got enriched layers where we do calculations. This is all what we call visualization in a map. And you'll see the complexity levels grow from simple to more complex. The demands for geospatial experience and expertise grow from very simple to more complex when we start doing enrichment. So we'll cover this in other topics moving forward, but data and maps are a beautiful combination. A map is really just allowing you to visualize your data and understand your data better and to see patterns. Thanks.